Best business name generator, how to come up with a business name. Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can come up with a business name, how you can incorporate that into your logo, and how you can do all of that for free. So let's get into it. Now, creating or thinking of a business name can be a very difficult and long process. I was building my own scrunchie business, and during that, it was a realization to me that picking out a name is such a crucial part that we often overlook whenever we're starting up with new business ideas. So in this video, we have two business name generators that I'm going to be talking about, which can help you in making it easier for you to actually select a business name. So let's get into it. Now, the first name generator or business name generator that I recommend is Namelix. So it's called namelix.com. That is it. This is a AI-based name generator, so it can generate short, brandable business names using AI. And you guys can see it has four basic components, which it will generate your idea. You can filter out the result and save the names that you like. Now, you guys can see that over here, not only are they going to generate a name for you, but they also give you some overall branding or aesthetic ideas for how you want to market your brand. Now, we're going to enter our keywords. Our keywords are going to be things that are going to be related to our business. So let's say I want to start a scrunchie, hair care, and hair tie business. So I'm going to add these three keywords. Now, you will have a next pop-up that will pop up. This will include the name style that you want. So if I want all names, if I want names that have alternate spellings, if I want compound words, if I want evocative names, if I want short phrases, if I want real words, if I want non-English words, or if I want brandable names. Now, all of these are different marketing strategies, and it depends on the niche that you are present in as well. For any niche, you're going to find anything as a brandable name or a real word. However, creating something like a compound word or a alternate spelling business name can be something that's really difficult to do on your own. So for our particular template, we're going to go with all styles. So this is going to be turned on auto, which will show me all types of name styles. Then you can pick out the one that you're leaning towards the most and regenerate names according to that style. So I'm going to click on next over here, and you're going to choose your randomness. So if I want less random, the more direct name ideas, balanced where there's creativity and directness, and high where there are more varied results. Now, if you choose low randomness, it's going to target your particular keyword. So the word scrunchie would be involved in it, or the word hair care or something like that would be involved in it. This is great if you're not looking to spend a lot on marketing and you're making your business more search oriented. So if someone searches for hair care items or scrunchies, then they would be able to see your particular brand. However, if you're looking to establish a particular aesthetic with your brand and you want your brand to be the main identity, you can go for high creative names. And if you want a balance, then you're going to go with medium. Then you're going to enter your brand info. Now, in your brand info, you can add a short description of your business or your product. So I like to add a short description because this can help the AI to generate results that are very, very optimized for our particular business idea, and that can best represent our business in a shorter format. So this is going to be a silk scrunchie and hair tie or hair care like this. And then you can also choose whether or not you want to check domains or not. So I don't want to look for a domain, so I'm just going to click on generate over here. And just like that, it will start looking for business name ideas. Now, first off, we have silky scrunch, we have airy hair, misty tie, slippies, silk lasso, silk scrunch, more hair, silk slip tie, beauty slip. Now, all of these are great name ideas. You can click on browse names over here, and you can just go on ahead and keep on browsing. You can also click on create new styles and save certain names. So curled crave, scrunchies, hairstyled, slouchy chic. Now we have a bunch of different options. We have love wrap, 3 curls, the silkies, beauty tie, Now, I really can't decide on a particular name because all of these are so amazing. Now, let's say I want to go with something like, let's take a look at all of our results. So we have hair tie, angel strands, we have scrunchy, texture tie, heirloom hair, fur fold, we have happy braid, on trend, true silk, scrunchy with different spellings, silky loop. Now I think I like silky loop a lot. This looks pretty cute. We also have a bunch of different other options. There are so many different options as well as styles. So let's say we are going to add, let's say we're gonna go ahead and add, we're gonna choose slouchy chic. So we're gonna click on register domain, and this will actually show you guys the Namecheap listing of that particular domain, whether or not it is available. So you guys can see it's going to show some suggested domains. So slouchychic.com is currently available only for $10.28 per year. So that is a great price for a .com domain, and you can get started with building your business on that particular domain. So if I take a look at the overall branding that they have created, this is like a very simple branding, and you can see some of the alternate ideas, but these can be a bit too generalized. So if you want to create a more customized idea for your particular brand name, you can go ahead and go into canva.com. Once you're in Canva, simply search for logo. And this will show you all of the logo templates available. So you can pick out any template that you like and you can customize that template. So let's say for us, I'm going to choose this one over here and click on customize template because I already like the general style. I'm just going to customize it a little. So I'm going to add slouchy chic like this. Or maybe I want something that has a bit more contrast, that is, more representative of our name. So I think I'm going to go with something different, like this one over here. So that could be slouchy and then chic. So that would look a lot better. So I'm going to go with this one instead. So for this, I'm going to add slouchy, and then over here we can add chic. And then I'm obviously going to recenter our text a little just so it fits slightly better. And we're going to edit the placement of our stars, obviously, and just like that we're going to place it like so. Now I'm going to select all of the items together, making sure everything is centered like this. And once I've added all of my items, I can obviously change the colors of the items. So I can select all of these together and pick out a new color that I might want. So let's say I want this in a dark pink, and the background, I want this to be a nude pink. So I'm going to open up the background section over here, and we're going to customize the overall appearance like so. And then for our stars, I'm just going to select both of these together. And let's say I want to maybe change the color of these stars to the same as the text. And like this, we have an amazing little logo. Now to save this logo, all you have to do is click on share, download, and download your logo. Now, other than using Namelix as your primary way to find names, we also have another alternate option called the Business Name Maker. So the Business Name Maker is another great way to find business names, and this does not give you a lot of, aesthetics or vibes that can be joined with your brand name. This is just straight up for names. So we're going to do the same kind of input. We're going to go with hair care, hair tie, and scrunchy. And then I'm going to click on get started over here. And now you guys can see this is showing me multiple different name ideas. So all of these are just name ideas formed in a list, and I can choose the one that befits the best. So we have jaded, hair care, dahlia, scrunchy, and this has some filters that you can apply later on. So if you want this to be rhyming, if you want this to be one word or two words, if you want to insert any keyword, if you are looking in a particular industry, and any of your saved ideas. So let's say I want my particular business name to be rhyming, so I'm going to click on apply over here. We have scrunchy speedy, scrunchy saver, hair care honey bunch, scrunchy simulation, scrunchy splitter, scrunchy safety. So there are a bunch of different options to pick out from, and then you can do the same thing and build the logo on Canva. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.